fur, Y2K on your seams, puff in my chest, trying to act.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, this is our day 2 in Thailand. And for today's video, ang ating plan is pupunta tayo cafe tour. So bali pupunta tayo sa 3 cafes. And then isang parang may kasama sa isang parang river market or floating market, something like that. Tapos isang temple. So nandito kasama namin sila Aisha nasa likod. Tapos si sister. Akala namin madaming tao. Madaming tao ngayon. Like madaming tao kaming kasama. Pero isa lang yung kasama namin. Kaya van lang yung sinasakyan namin. Usual kasi bus. Kapag bus kasi madaming tao. So ngayon, isa lang yung kasama namin. Tapos 50 minutes daw yung 50 minutes yung papunta doon. So baka tutulog muna ako kasi masyado pang maaga, 9 AM pa lang dito. So yeah, let's go.
Shine bright again, the blue sky reflect the moments shared together, treasures those memories we've kept forever. Someday we will find our hope again. Where the sun shines, the flower blooms finer. Keep reaching the sky, don't stop, just fly. It's far away, but you'll be just fine. Keep on hoping like the sun. Oh, like the sun. Keep on hoping like the sun. Oh, like the sun. Keep on hoping like the sun. Wishing someday I will find a way up there. I'll watch every night. All the sky glows. I'll stay up until the sun rises. Keep on believing in your faith. Love's only found where the sun shines brighter. Keep chasing the gleams. Don't stop, just fly. It's far away, but you'll be just fine. Keep on hoping like the sun. Oh, like the sun. Keep on hoping like the sun. Oh, like the sun. Keep on hoping like the sun. Forget all our worries, overcome our fear. Keep on hoping. Keep on hoping like the sun.
My bestie, ha? Okay. Aywa. Woo! Pew, pew! Okay, go to Majas. Mamzar. Guys, this is the first cafe pa lang. And like, wow, it's so nice. Dito tayo mag-vlog kasi like, it's nice. So, ay! Nadulas ako, guys.
Like the
The sound is not same, right?
Yeah.
Yes. One to the end. Yes. Like this.
Aisha, you buy your mangosteen here. Hello guys, we're here at market. Hi. Bestie, where's my bestie? Where's my bestie?
I'm here.
Okay.
Videohan yung people Ate ka lang.
Some
So guys, nandito na kami sa may market nila and ngayon nabili lang sila Aisha ng bumili sila ng uno kasi para daw pag nasa hotel kami walang ginagawa. Oh, ano nabili ni sister?
Like Riza has this and I saw for her and I love it so I bought it.
Shout out to you, Riza. The best setter of AUS. Tito Marlon, it's your favorite. Wow. Anyways, shopping lang kami dito. Shopping! Bili lang kami ng konti. So, yeah. Hi.
Well, let's look at
Go, go.
Thank you. Where you from? Dubai. Oh, Dubai.
How was it?
It's good but
What?
I don't know, sweet.
How was it?
It's good. I love this in
You love?
in
Why not buy?
Bila Bila. They put this one.
Yeah,
It's very good.
Yeah.
It's good. I will buy.
Bessie, how was it?
No one give me that. See, it's finished already.
Haram. It's nice.
What did it?
Is it halal? I think yes, it's just coconut. Coconut.
Palm tea and coconut tea. It's made from nut and covered by jelly. That's a sweet. And this original from Palace of Thailand. In the past, this the dessert for a king and queen and royal family.
the sun will shine bright again. The blue sky reflect the moments shared together. Treasures those memories we've kept forever. Someday we will find our hope again. Where the sun shines, the flower blooms finer.
Mainit na siya, guys.
Because
ครับยังสวัสดีครับยังสวัสดีครับยัง
because look at you with so pretty.
Pretty, ah! Everything coconut. Sabi niya, ewan ko basta made with all of coconut sugar, coconut milk, coconut juice, I don't know.
Not coconut juice. It's like coconut with this cornstarch and
Wow.
rice.
Oh, it's nice. It's nice. It's nice. May buo siyang... Diba? It's nice.
So now we are here in some market here in Thailand. Yeah. And my phone, of course, it's with Sammy because all the time I forget it. So it's in her bag. She will give me now. See? Yeah. Hi, baby. Hi. Where's my phone? Thank you. Okay.
Hey guys, so ngayon nandito na kami sa Bubble in the Forest. Pakita ko sa inyo yung
Reaching the sky, don't stop, just fly. It's far away, but you'll be just fine. Keep on hoping, like the sun. Oh, like the find a way up there. I'm watching.
Guys, ang nice here. Kaso nakalimutan ko yung salamin ko sa van. So like, it's hot. But kaliwali. It's nice. Wow. Ah, so nice. Hi guys, so ngayon nandito na tayo sa Bubble in the Forest Cafe. As you can see, ano siya, parang Bali style na cafe. Ang ganda niya dito, ang ganda. Nagpicture na muna kami dito, tapos siya ako nag-vlog. Tapos ngayon, nag-order lang kami ng soda. Ano yun? Blue, something blue soda, pati lychee soda. Kila Aisha. To refresh lang. Ang ganda dito guys, so nice. As you can see in the background, it's giving.
All the sky glows. I'll stay up until the sun rises. Keep on believing in your faith. Love's only found where the sun shines brighter. Keep chasing the gleams. Don't stop, just fly. It's far away, but you'll be.
Hi guys, I hope you can hear me. Ngayon, nandito na kami sa third na cafe namin, which is Muyu Cafe House. So yeah, ang ganda dito kasi para siyang Korean cafe store. So yeah, diba? It's ang ganda, nakaka-fresh dito, girl. Oh.
Fine. Keep on hoping like the sun. Oh, like the sun. Keep on hoping like the sun. Oh, like the sun. Keep on hoping like the sun. Forget all our worries, overcome our fears.
Hi guys! So ngayon, nandito na kami sa van, pauwi na ng Bangkok. So tapos na yung tour namin, bale nakatatlong cafe kami. Una is yung In the Garden Hot Cafe, yun yung may water. Yun nadulas ako, yun. Tapos pangalawa, pumunta kami sa parang malapit na market doon sa cafe. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan. Basta market siya, mga fruits, iba-iba. Basta madami siya, market lang, pero maliit lang siya. Tapos after doon, punta na kami sa Bubble Rain. Ano yun? Bubble in the Rain? Ano yun? Bubble in the Rain. Bubble Rain Forest. Bubble in the Forest Cafe. Tapos yun, order lang kami. Picture. Then after nun, dito naman, ito yung last namin is yung Muyu Rose House. Ang ganda niya kasi para siyang Korean style na cafe dito sa Thailand. Hindi kasi ito Bangkok pero sa Thailand. Tapos, yun na, medyo maaga nga kami kasi usually dapat 6 pa ang 6 pa kami makakarating dapat ng Bangkok. Pero ngayon 2:31 pa lang. And then, pauwi na kami. Kasi nga, 5 lang kami ngayon. So, para na din kami nag-private tour. Which is nice. Tapos, ayun. Nag-enjoy naman kami. Nag-enjoy din sila Aisha. Dami na lang picture. Napagod na lang din sila. Si sister naman napagod na din. Nawala na siya ng social battery. O, diba? Ganun na lang siya. Naubos na. Ayun nga, super sulit nitong tour na to. And super bait nung tour guide namin. Papakita ko. Ito. Siya yung tour guide namin. Ang bait niya, ang saya niya kasama. Pinipicturean niya kami every part of every corner of the cafe. Basta lahat pinipicturean niya kami. Yun. Kaya it's so nice. By the way guys, nabook namin tong tour na to sa Kluk lang. Magkano ba yun? 200. Forgot. Basta sa Klook lang namin to binook. Nasa UAE pa lang kami. Binook na namin dito. Para wala na kaming isipin na pagdating dito. So, yun. Ang saya. Very, very nice. After nito, after namin makarating ng Bangkok, di ko alam saan kami pupunta. I think kakain lang. Maghahanap ako ngayon ng seafood na kainan kasi gusto ni Aisha ng seafood. And then after nun, baka punta kami ng Pratunam para bumili ulit ng mga gamit or pasalubong or damit para tapos na, para wala nang isipin. So yun. See you there!
Keep on hoping. Keep on hoping like the sun. Like the sun. Keep on hoping. Keep on hoping like the sun.
Hi guys! Medyo hulas na pero we're eating mango sticky rice now. My first time to try.
Go, baby. It's good.
Good.
You know,
It's a real crab. Is it a real crab?
yeah. No, it's fake.
It's fake.
I feel like it's like sea smell, like salt.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Wow! It's actually good. But it's...
It's good, but why they put sugar?
I know, right? But
Why they
it's
put, like,
sweet.
Sweet.
Hey guys, so ngayon, nandito na kami. Naglalakad papunta sa Judge Fair. So, yep. Medyo umaambon ng onte. Sana hindi na lumakas. Sana ito na yung pinakamalakas. Let's go! Okay guys, our first food is takoyaki. We ordered the 4-piece shrimp lang. Hati-hati kami para madami kami makain. Guys, bibili si Aisha ng grilled shrimp. Guys, oh, squid shot. But I won't do it.
Hello, banana ka.
I don't know what to eat. So, I'm just looking muna. And then, bye. I think sa kabilang side, mas masarap. Oh, what's this? Probably we'll go here. Ayun, nasa taas na pala. Look, guys! Guys, so ngayon, medyo sumugod kami sa ulan. Hey guys, ito ang trip. Oh, panis! Hindi ka pag nilalagay. Pag nilagay ni sister. Ay. Guys, inabot na kami ng ulan dito. Here. Hi. 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 Kasi yung katabi ng Jod Fair is itong Big C. Ayun. Tingin kami. Tingnan niyo po si Aisha. Basang-basa. Basang-basa po siya, guys. Ikot-ikot lang kami dito sa Big C. Pakita ko din sa inyo kung ano siya. Basta ano siya, supermarket siya na mga mura na wholesale lang yung bili. Like madamihan. Tapos may discount din siya. So yeah, I'll show you guys around. So ano? Oh, di ba? Huli. Masarap kasi to. Ito. Yan. Sarap yan. Simula nung dumating kami dito, parang araw-araw yata kaming... Ay, ito na guys. Yung bibiling ko kay Papa. I remember. Mga skin. Kalas, I'll be back, guys.
Hi guys, today we're here at Big C and now Ata's paying. When? Oh, what the heck. Okay, here she's paying now. And I'm not helping her. Okay, that's it. That's an update. Bye.
Pili na. Dami siya, guys. Tingnan natin kung magkano. Ang hula ko is yun to. Hula ka ano to, mga 2.5. Oh, 2.5 to. Ang dami, guys, ha. Share ko lang. Dami na. Oh. Alat. Ayun na yata. Ayan, 1. So guys, tapos na kami dito sa Big C and hindi naman ganun kadami nabili namin. Parang saktuhan lang. Tapos kapag may kulang na lang, babalik na lang ulit kami dun sa Big C na malapit sa amin. Ito siya. Yeah, yun na yung mga napimili namin. Halo na yan sa amin nila Aisha. At sige na. At ako yung magbubook ng taxi. Okay. So guys, ayun na. Bumili na ako ngayon ng lotion. Kasi naka-sale. Oh. Dalawa, 298 or 288. Guys, ang galing, oh. Diba? Ako pinagtulak nila. Tapos sila, ayun lang. Oh, tumalon pa. So guys, nandito na kami sa taxi. Pabalik sa hotel. And tinatawanan ako ni sister. Pagod na sila. They're tired.
No, I do it already. I didn't.
No, late. You're late. That's why I always do this.
Do it to me, ah. Okay, one more because you made story for me. Okay, two. Voila, next event. Only one. You know what she did it? Where? Here. No, here should be. I do. I cannot see your head. All hair. Nice revenge.
You look at Ata's hand. It's like that.
No, I didn't look. I didn't look. Like. What the heck? I didn't. I saw your eyes. Oh my god. Okay. Let's talk.
Apple of my eye and met with bottom jeans. Boots with the fur, Y2K on your seams. Puff in my chest, trying to act for the scene. Cause I'm trying to get low, eat everything in between. Trying to get low, be my yin yang twin. Twin flame, insane. You Shakira with them hips. Said your Q rate, put me on to your mix then. If you free for the weekend, for you at Knicks plans. Please don't let me down, feeling like a Knicks fan. If you ghost me, we still meeting through my 6 cents. I'm just playing, no but really. When you're with me, no such thing as 50-50. I ain't tripping over digits like many.
Hi guys, so hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina kasi naglalakad kami dito sa Sampeng Night Market. Kasi, yes. Kasi scared ako kasi baka pag ginanto ko yan, tapos alam mo na, makuha sa akin. Huwag naman sana. Anyways, kanina kumain kami nung, ano na natin natin? Chicken siya.
Chicken cutlet.
Chicken cutlets
I look so
for...
ugly na y'all kasi our hair is like, it was drenched in water earlier when we went to John Fair to Big C. When we went to Big C, it was very cold and then we went out, we got wet again.
So yun nga, kinain namin is yung chicken cutlet for only 15 baht. Isa lang binibili namin kasi hati na kami ni sister doon. Food trip lang talaga ang pinunta namin dito. Sila Aisha, nagbibili-bili sila. Tapos, after nun, may kinain kami parang bread. Hindi na siya masarap kasi malamig na siya. And, ang mahal nung sausawan, 10 baht. 10 baht. Kaya, yun. Tapos malamig pa siya. Tapos ngayon, ito naman yung binili namin. Pork satay. Let's eat! Guys, ang sarap. It's the best. As always. Aroy! Aroy!
I ain't tripping over digits like many men. Girl, I know it takes safe hands to handle all of that. Since you mentioned it was names you used to mess with, I'll paint a perfect picture, just supply me on canvas. How about a good time sometime around 5? Where you reside, oh, it's just a short drive. I guess it's perfect.
Hi guys, so nandito na ulit kami sa may hotel namin. Nakauwi naman kami ng safe and sound. Pahinga lang kami ng onte, palit ng damit, magsha-shower, and then we will go to massage. That is how we end our day by nagpapa-foot massage. So yeah, let's go!
So yan guys, ay na nga, stop is stop. Tawag doon yun nga, magpapamassage kami. This is how we end our day. Nagpapa-foot massage kasi sobrang dami ng lakad ng ginagawa namin everyday. So yeah, baka dito ko na din tatapusin yung vlog and kasi kahapon hindi ko na naman siya natapos, hindi ko na naman na-end yung vlog ko. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, leave a comment. Bye! Tutulog na ako na masarap na mahimbing.
Slide your digits in. You craving thigh? Well, I've always been diligent. I got a simple plan. You ain't gotta lift a nail. You show up blindfolded, and I probably learn to read and braille. Take your time to unwind before the night. This ain't a sitcom, but I'ma show you what my life's like. Ayy, I'ma show you what my life's like. Ayy, I'ma show you what my life's like. Ayy, I'ma show you what my life's like. Anything for the apple of my eye and them apple bottom jeans. Boots with the fur, Y2K on your seams. Puff in my chest, tryna act for the scene. Cause I'm tryna get low, eat everything in between. Apple of my eye and them apple bottom jeans. Boots with the fur, Y2K on your seams. Puff in my chest, tryna act for the scene. Cause I'm tryna get low, eat everything in between.